Alright, so the other day I was like, dude, get out of here. I'm trying to do a vlog, dude. Get out of here. You're ruining my vlog. You're wasting my vlog time. These people don't want to see this. Get out of here. Well, get out of here, man. Come on, man. Get out of here. Alright, so about that video, I was like, dude, stop it. Why are you trying to kiss me? Why are you trying to kiss me? Dude, get out of here. Should I just tickle him till he pees his pants? I should just tickle him till he pees his pants. See, if I scream like a little girl. Oh, you scream like a little girl? Tell me when you're about to pee your pants.
Beat my pants.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Beat my pants. On you. I peed on you.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
Ridiculous, man. Alright. Get out of here. Damn, go. I'm gonna turn off the TV in there. You wanna go in there? I'm gonna go turn off the TV off.